Cyril Corinne Sabinesio of Fujidenzo Appliances, and we're here to show you our dual function freezers. So pag sinabi nating dual function freezers, you have a choice to use it as a chiller or as a freezer. So it's made with a durable design, kaya pwede siyang gamitin for commercial use. It's actually trusted by various brands like Bounty Fresh, Arce Dairy, and Kingsway. And if you're planning to put up a business for your own peace of mind, we have 100 service centers all over the Philippines. Kaya kahit saan ka, you have a peace of mind. And it also goes with 2 years warranty for parts and 5 years for the compressor. And it's available in various capacities such as we have 22 cubic feet freezers, 18 hanggang 4 cubic feet. It's also available in solid top freezers and in glass top freezers, depende kung paano nyo gagamitin. So if you'd like to know more about our chest freezers, you can go to leading appliances nationwide, or you can like us on Facebook, Fujidenzo Appliances, or you can visit our website, exatech.com.ph. So kung nagpaplano kayo magtayo ng business, Fujidenzo is the perfect partner for you. Fujidenzo, quality above all.